Hello, and welcome to another video. Today, I will be talking about one of the most mysterious mysteries or malicious people on the internet. His name is Ahenobarbus Henocied. So, I am going to be reading the Urban Dictionary definition of Ahenobarbus Henocied. One of the most disgusting and malicious entities on the internet, known for running a now debunked Facebook page. Once added, the user would send you photographs of unimaginably disgusting and illegal images, some involving gore, child pornography, deep suicide stuff, etc. It also made message with strange Latin and Russian coded messages, along with cryptic coordinates. The user would also know him for targeting minors and sending in contact as described above. Here's an example. My friend was recently attacked by Ahenobarbus Henocied on Facebook, and he was sent very violent images. Hopefully his therapist can help him out. So, it's one of the most mysterious, not even the FBI is looking for them. Nobody knows who he is. And he's still being looking for. His page was taken down on Facebook because it was mass reported. So, yeah, that's all. I've never been personally attacked because I didn't know about this until possibly last year. When I first saw it, it scared the crap out of me. So I was absolutely scared. I couldn't sleep for nights after seeing his profile picture, as you can see on the screen right now. See you later, guys. Bye.